Constitution, IPC, CRPC, CPC, and evidence, the top 5 points itself is going to get you enough marks to pass the AIB examination. However, what is required is, अगर आप bare minimum के लिए prepare होके जाएंगे तो maybe you will get lesser than that, क्योंकि आप 100% उसके लिए prepare होकर नहीं जा पाएंगे. And therefore, we have to get ourselves familiar with all the other subjects as well. So Constitution, जो 5 ऊपर के points हैं उसके लिए आप bare act ले लेंगे, and then you will be reading the doctrines, you will be reading the important principles, basic maxims of all these subjects, क्योंकि questions सिर्फ bare act से नहीं, मतलब section से directly questions नहीं आएंगे. तो questions जो होते हैं, जब we will also solve the previous year question papers. If you are interested, you can join the crash course of AIB जो legal विद्या का commence होगा. And in that we are going to practice it. So basically in सारे subjects से, apart from the direct questions from the sections itself, they also ask questions based on case laws. They also ask questions based on the legal maxims or doctrines. For example, they can ask you a case law based on the doctrine of pith and substances in the Constitution. Now you are not going to get it in the bare act. However, therefore it is required to prepare a strategy, a good strategy, और आप exam को crack